How would you like to learn how I spent $243 on ads? You can see on January 30th for 2020, I generated 209 clicks. Of those 209 clicks, I made back $440. Now, while I'm doing this, I only had 107 clicks, but this is the potential of when you start doing email marketing and you start collecting emails. Now we can look at my ClickFunnels account. I collected, out of those 200 plus clicks from Google, 76 emails were collected, and I had a 61% opt-in rate. So that was a profit, and you guys are going to learn exactly how I did that in this video.
What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make money online. So I know a lot of people who may be beginners or just getting started. This video is going to help you. I'm going to show you exactly what super affiliates do to make additional income with their efforts of marketing. So stay to the end. I'm going to be dropping pure value. Let's actually jump straight into my computer and let's get started. So for starters, I'm going to be showing you guys what affiliates are doing while they're running ads to monetize the back end of their email list. Now, what a lot of people do is when they get started, they just start launching ads and they don't know why they're losing money. They don't know the long-term value of a customer. And doing this strategy, this is a simple way that you can find those numbers that you need for your campaigns. But more importantly, let's actually jump into my laptop. We're gonna go behind the scenes. And for you guys that are beginner or more advanced, I'm talking about a funnel, which is a way you can bring your customers from one end to another place. That's what a funnel is. You're bringing one customer through a small journey. And I'm gonna show you guys a live example. So, don't feel overwhelmed. Kick your shoes off right now. Get comfortable while you watch this video. So let's keep going. So for intents and purposes, we are referring to the ad landing page affiliate offer. If you don't know what that is, make sure to watch some past YouTube videos of mine. But that is the funnel strategy we're referring to. Once our customers see our Facebook ad or Google ad or Bing ad, then we're gonna send them to a pre-sale page where we capture them as an email lead. Now, once these customers are captured into our email lead, they're gonna go into an autoresponder. Now, the autoresponders I recommend are Aweber, Active Campaign, and there are a few more out there that you can use, but those are by far my top two favorite ones. Now, next what you need is that you need to find an offer that you can utilize this strategy for. So if you don't know where to find affiliate offers to promote, I do recommend heading right over to OfferVault. Once you come to OfferVault, you can run in multiple niches. Now, the top niches that you can choose from are health, wealth, and relationships. Now, these three niches are the biggest ones, but you don't have to tackle these niches. You can actually go to more lead gen style niches. And that's actually what I'm referring to for this video. You can run email funnels with Make Money Online, which does great. You can run it with weight loss products. They work great. Now, another niche that a lot of people don't talk about with email marketing is running lead generation style offers. Now, I'm going to show you guys just a quick example, but you can come here. Lead generation means you're running ads for example, debt relief, student loan forgiveness. These are lead gen style ads. Car insurance, car loans, these are lead gen style ads. So now I'm just going to show you guys an example, but if we were going to use the auto loan niche for this video, let's do that for this video. Let's go auto loan. Now what's going to happen is you're going to see this car loans 1, 2, 3. It says $24 per sale. This is in Max Bounty. So then what I can do is I can actually go apply to this affiliate network. And Max Bounty, I'm actually in Max Bounty already. So next, now that we found a offer that we could potentially promote, now we know the offer is $24, and I'm assuming with this saying CA behind it, that's for Canada people only. Now, with these type of auto loan offers, you're gonna be more targeted to United States or Canada, specific more to the country. So as we can see with this car loans 1, 2, 3, if you want, click onto the offer to find out some more details behind it. Then they have a link for you to go sign up with the network. Now, what I do recommend is make sure if you're going to run a car loan offer, car insurance offer, or lead gen style offers, make sure you split test. And what I mean by that is maybe you join Max Bounty and then you run 500 visitors to your Max Bounty affiliate funnel, and then you run 500 leads to a different network, and then you see the results, because you will get different results. Now, next, what you need to do is, this is where everything's going to start changing. I'm going to show you guys what super affiliates do that you may not be implementing in your current campaigns. So let's actually jump into this. Let's go to my back end. All right, let's scroll up. So right here, I actually have an example. So this is what a lot of affiliates are not doing. Now, by the way, I'm showing you guys exactly how some of my campaigns are structured. This is one of my email funnels that I'm actually walking you through. So as you can see, this is actually pertaining towards active campaign. Now, there's what you call automation rules, segments, and tags. Now, that may sound all like mumbo jumbo, but essentially, when customers come to your website and they give you their email information, we have to set up tags and segmentation so we make sure we're tracking our customers' progress through our entire funnel. Now, let's actually go through some of my tags. So I wanted to set these automation rules up. So let's actually look at my first tag I have set up. So I wanted to keep track of who are clicking onto my website, who's clicking the emails and taking action. So I want to tag users. So what ActiveCampaign will do is ActiveCampaign will tag my customer. If they open my email and click, they'll tag it for the tag that I have set up, which I want it to be active leads for Q1. As you know, we just started this year off. So by the way, everybody, if you guys are getting some value from this, drop a like on this video right now. So next, we have users who do not open and read. This is very important. Just because someone's not clicking your emails doesn't mean we should take them off your list immediately. We need to also keep track of who's opening and not opening our emails. Now, after that, I have it set up that if someone does not open 3 of my emails, then I'm gonna start moving them over to my unactive sequence. Now, what happens is if you have an unactive sequence, what I personally did is I set up an email follow-up that are very aggressive emails to get people to re-engage, to get users to re-engage with my marketing efforts. So now let me actually scroll down. Now next, if I cannot win back the email subscriber, then what I do is I move them to my remove inactive lead list. Now, when this happens, there's no need to waste money. When you start email marketing, if you don't know, a lot of autoresponders out there that they'll charge you after the trial, but they'll charge you for how many contacts you have in your autoresponder. So for example, if you have 10,000 people on your autoresponder, but only 2,000 people are active, there's no need to have 8,000 people who are just gonna waste your money. This is exactly why you need to have tags and segmentations built into your autoresponder, into your email sequence. So now next, this is how I remove anybody who's inactive. Now, this is email number 7 for example purposes. Now, the reason I have this is because this is how I get the best results. As you can see, I set this up to go 3 days later, and I want this email to go out at 4 p.m. So as you can see, in my autoresponder, 7 days later, when someone makes it to email number 7, they will get this email right here. Now it says, subject says new, training reveals how to become a super affiliate. I actually just made that subject, so as you can see, we are live. Now next, I'm giving my call to action. Here's the link. So now you're probably thinking, Anthony, why do I need to keep track of this? Why should I even bother collecting emails? The truth is that when you collect emails, you own that email list. It does not matter if you run ads on Google, Facebook, Snapchat. When you have email contacts, you own that email list, and until that subscriber unsubscribes from that list, you can keep sending emails and monetizing that list. Now the next step is that you need to make sure you have an email sequence. I recommend trying to build your email sequence up to 30 days plus. You're not going to get it all done in 1 day, so set out a couple days where you can write some emails or outsource that part of your business. Hire a copywriter to write you some emails for your email autoresponder. Now, next, this is where a lot of affiliates are actually missing out on. Let's actually come into my Google Doc. Now, here's a live example from a past campaign I was actually running, and this funnel was primarily focused on collecting emails. So what I actually did was I keep it very simple. I wanted to know how many people land on my website. So we had 1,500 people land on my website, and then I collected 258 emails. Now think about that. If you're collecting emails every day, these emails are eventually going to start producing you income as long as you have a sequence to follow up with them. That's why I stress so much to have an email sequence. Now, this is just an example. I wanted to know how much I was paying per lead. So on average, I was paying $2.84 for one email. So as long as I can make more money than $2.84 per email, I'm always going to be winning. Now, I'm going to show you guys more behind the scenes of my autoresponder in a little bit, but this is what you need to be doing. You need to be tracking all of your campaigns. This is, I would say, probably the number one mistake I see on people trying to make money online is that they're not tracking anything. Now, when I say track, you need to track your campaign progress, your email progress, and here's a live example down here. So what we can do is we can say email number 1, we have the date, how many people are opening and reading this, clicking, and how many conversions. Next, we have notes. The reason this is important is because this is going to help you develop what we call the long-term value of a customer. Now, if you know how much an email subscriber is worth on, let's just say email number 45, this is going to help us predictably spend money on the front end to get people in email number 1 because we know on average how much one customer on email number 45 is worth. So as you can see, this is exactly why we have rules and automations. So this is why I have these tags set up, because as my customers are going through my funnel, I'm going to be tagging them, segmenting them, and unsubscribing them from my email list so I'm not spending any additional money on them. So just so you can see a quick overview on how something like this would look, I actually headed right over to Google, and what I did is I just did a little trick I showed you guys in the previous video. We have site, clickfunnels.com, and I put car loan or car application. Now this is not my website, but this is just an example one that once your customer sees your ad, they come to your website. This is our example website. Once they put in their information, this first name, last name, email, that information is going to the autoresponder. So imagine that. We start promoting this car loan offers 1, 2, 3. Our customers see our ad, they come to our website, and then after they see our ad, then after they see our website, they go directly to car loans 1, 2, 3 CA. Now, then we have a chance to earn $24. Now, here's the benefit. If that customer does not buy, guess where your customers are coming into next? They're coming into email number 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, if you guys are curious, when people are doing car loan shopping, insurance shopping, so for example, I recently just changed my car insurance provider. How many people do you think I contacted to get quotes from? Of course, I'm not going to go to one company and get one quote. When people are looking for car loans, car insurance, they're going to be going out to look for multiple offers. They do not want one offer, because one company could say, hey, your car insurance payment's going to be $100 a month, and another car insurance company could say your car insurance is going to be $300 a month. So what can we do? Email number 2, we send them a different car insurance offer. Email number 3, a different car insurance offers, because our customers are going to get multiple quotes. Now, instead of just earning our one-time $24 payment, we have a potential chance to earn more commissions. So keep that in mind. So I hope you guys are getting a ton of value from this so far, but let me actually jump into my autoresponder so you can see what I'm talking about. So there is going to be some information that's blurred out just to keep my email contacts private, but as you can see, this one autoresponder has about 60,000 contacts that I have in my email sequences. Now, I want you to take a close look to tags. Now, as you can see that these are my tags that I have set up. I have best leads, clicked buyer, clicked no purchase. So what I actually did is I went into my buyer's email sequence and I said, okay, who are my best leads? And I made that best leads tag. So now click no purchase. This is very important because you will have customers who buy from you, but maybe they're not opening your emails. That doesn't mean you have to delete them from your email list. This is why I'm tagging them as they click but no purchase. So inactive purchaser, unactive purchaser, just signed up, no engagement, opened email. These are example tags that you can implement in your email marketing campaigns. So let's actually click on best leads right here. So now that we clicked on best leads, we see that 6,909 people have been tagged as my best leads. Now what I can actually do is I can click export here. And then what I can do is I can put this email list, let's click here to view the progress. I can take this email list and I can go to Facebook advertising and I can upload my contacts to Facebook and then market to my contacts on Facebook via retargeting. Now this, by the way, did get a little bit more advanced than I wanted to, but this is the long game of affiliate marketing, becoming an affiliate, setting up systems like this, because once you set your system up once, there's no need to go back in and change everything. All you have to do is add more tags, add more segments, and add more emails to your sequence. Now let's just click here and let's view the progress. So as you can see here, all I have to do now is click download and I can use this email list. Now lastly, I want to say thank you for staying to the end of this video. You guys are the MVP for watching all my videos. And if you want to see more videos behind the scenes of how super affiliates crush it with their marketing campaigns, leave a like on this video so I know what you guys want to see on YouTube. But next, just come over to here and click on my playlist. You don't have to buy anything. Just come over here and check out my CPA affiliate marketing journey. You guys are going to be able to see how I initially started my journey from the very beginning, from 0 to 6 figures, exactly what I did. And this year I'm going to be rolling out case studies. So as you come here, I'm just giving you guys a quick little tour. Make sure to check out my affiliate marketing A to Z case studies. I do have some more miniature case studies coming out. So you guys are going to see that coming out onto the YouTube channel. But I hope you guys are ready to crush it this year. Let me know, what are you guys doing with your email marketing campaigns? Share below what you recommend, your #1 tip for email marketing. I'll see you guys in the next video.